Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable Microsoft Teams from auto starting when your computer starts up on your Windows device. So there are a lot of programs that will start automatically when your computer boots up, but generally speaking, this tends to just slow down your computer's boot process as it takes more time to load these resources. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys just how to turn it off from starting when your computer starts up. But if you manually turn on Microsoft Teams, so if you actually went into the program and opened it up, it would work fine. So if that's okay with you guys, that's what we're going to do in today's tutorial. And we're going to just start by right-clicking on our taskbar and then select Task Manager. Select the Startup tab and then locate Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and just left click on that one time and then select the Disable button in the bottom right corner. It should say Disabled under Status, and then at this point, if you restart your computer, Microsoft Teams should not automatically start when your computer starts up. Now, if you are using an older version of Windows and you don't see a startup tab in Task Manager, you might have to go through the System Configuration utility, which we can access by opening up the Start menu and type in msconfig. Best match should come back with System Configuration. Go ahead and just left click on that. Select the Startup tab, and then you'd be able to disable it from here. Again, it would say Microsoft Teams. You'd uncheck it and then select Apply and OK to save the change. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.